All right, last one. We're going to do number 32 on page 605. So this one has us look back at number 26. So we already did number 26 with the previous balance. So now we get to compare the two. So you're going to have the same numbers, just use this other method. So we're starting with September 5th. And our first, some people just like to do this. September 8th is we subtract $275. On September 21st, we add 330. On September 27th, we add 190.80. And on October 2nd, we add 84.75. So some people just like to get that over with. Some people like to multiply everything right away, so just do one whole line at a time, then go back and add. So whatever you're most comfortable with, it's totally up to you. So since that was 8th, that means this one is September 7th. And our balance that we carry over is $567.20. This one then is September 20th. So $567.20 minus $275 gives us $292.20. 21st through the 26th. That plus 330 gives us $622.20. This would be till October 1st plus 190.80 is going to give me $813. And then this is through October 5th plus 84.75 gives me $897.75. Okay, so again, if you wrote on calendar out, the 5th, 6th, and 7th would all have $567.20. So there are 3 days, which gives me $1701.60. Again, you can do 20 minus 8, which is 12, plus 1 gives us 13. 37.98.60. 26 minus 21 is 5, plus 1 is 6. 37.33.20. This one can't really subtract them, so you have to do 27, 28, 29, 30, and the 1st. So there are 5 days. So again, you have to know how many days are in each month, or you can go back and look at that chart on page 577. This gives us 40.65. And finally, this would be 4 days. 5 minus 2 is 3 plus 1. Or sorry, no, we do not use the 5th. So it might be better if you write the 4th here instead. That's up to you. Again, you need to make sure, since this is September, that needs to add to 30 because there's 30 days in September. 2, 6, 9, 3, 25. So now we add that together, 15,991.65. So finally, we can answer the question. The average daily balance is 15,991.65 divided by 30 gives me 533.06. Part B, the finance charge. So this carryover, or the percent, is 1.1% times 533.06 gives me $5.86. Part C, I didn't explain this very well. So this part usually people wonder where the number from. The balance that's due then is, everybody wonders where do I have my number? Right here. This is the last day on the calendar. So if you filled out that whole calendar, this is the last number you would write in on October 4th. So again, that carries over to October 5th. So that's where the 897.75 plus 586. That's where that number comes from. I did not show you that on the last one. Let me do that here. Oh, no. Sorry. I totally messed that part up. Sorry. So let me finish this problem, then I'll go back and do that. So the way you figure out your new balance is you got to go back to the very last balance that you had and add your finance charge onto that. So that gives us $903.61. So then part D, it wants you to compare what you did in problem 26. So this is how much you have to pay, or your new balance here with the previous balance method. Your new amount was $903.99. So you save an entire 13 cents. Or sorry, 38 cents. By doing the previous balance method. All that work for 38 cents. Pretty exciting. Okay, all right, sorry, go back to this one. Your new balance is going to be $1842.36 plus $20.61, which is where $1862.97 comes from. Those two together would not have added to that much money, so sorry. That's where you go back to, is that amount right there, and add on your finance charge to that. Okay, so all of the credit card problems that you might want to do, page 603, 21 to 31 odd.